Mario! This is so not windy. Bowser, what do you mean? It's windy. Do you hear it? Yeah, but it's not windy. Yes, it is, Bowser. It is windy. You can hear it, can't you? You have ears. Actually, I don't. Kind of wind? No. You're lying to me. Do you realize? Yeah. Bowser! Don't you hear it? Don't you see it? It's windy out here. And the reason it's windy. W-I-N-D, windy. It is windy. I know you have ears, Bowser. Yeah. Knocked out for a few minutes because Mario was being dumb. He realized what Bowser was doing. Bowser was dumb. I'm telling you that there's no wind. I don't even hear it. Oh, what's that noise? That's just cars. It's not cars, Bowser. That's wind. It's wind. That is a wind. Okay, fine, I believe you, but it's not even doing anything. Now it's doing something. Mario! Oh my God, you hear it? Okay, get ready to brace yourself, Bowser. Okay. Here it comes the duck foot. It is a tweak, but no. Bowser. Bowser. Maybe do anything. Ha ha, win, suck it. Mario. Yeah, I think it's getting mad. It's not getting mad. Ah! 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 Mario, you actually you suck. I'm the best. Okay, it's actually getting closer now. I'm forgetting. Oh my God! Oh! Ah! Didn't even do anything. Wait, Mario? Ow! Bowser, it's so dangerous. You just go. No, I'm not going. It's cool. Bowser, we are going right now. Come on. Fine. I'm yelling. Why am I yelling? Ah! Bowser, you're such an idiot. I hate you. I hate you too. Mario, I don't understand. Well, how did the wind pick up my 530-pound body? I don't know, Bowser. Maybe it just... I don't know. Yeah. But I do see some storm clouds. Yeah, I see some clouds. Good that we're safe. Safe from all the way. Wait, Mario, is that the sun? No, man. What a beautiful day. What's that noise? Jeffy, what are you doing? Why? You kept playing outside as windy. But Daddy, you said that I could play outside tomorrow. And it is. Well, just come back. I don't care about stupid wind. Why is it getting so loud, Jeffy? Daddy! 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 Just when? I'm scared. Mario! I'm scared. I'm so scary. Dad! What? And meet Iggy, Larry, and let me go out in there and test the wind. Sure, but Come back here, okay? I'm not reading. Okay. I want to go out the window. Yeah, me too. Me too. It's time to present. Come on, guys. Why are we flying? We're not flying. Like going to a spot that says